What makes Leica Leica? Precision, quality, and clarity. The Panasonic series of micro four third lenses are well known for their lifelike texture and details. You could zoom into photos taken with Leica lenses 500 times and still see clear details. Look at the edges of these photos I took. These lenses completely eliminate lens distortions of all kinds to enable precise, sharp picture rendering. For comparison, check out the difference between a photo taken with a Leica and non-Leica lens. Now, you should be asking the question, what lenses does this series have? For prime lenses, there are 7 focal lengths to choose from. The 12mm f1.4, the 15mm f1.7, the 42.5mm f1.2, the 45mm f2.8 macro, 200mm f2.8, 9mm f1.7, and the 25mm f1.4. For zoom lenses, there are 6 choices ranging from ultra-wide to telephoto lenses. They are the 8 to 18mm f2.8 to f4, the 10 to 25mm f1.7, the 25 to 50mm f1.7 as well, the 12 to 60mm f2.8 to f4, the 50 to 200mm f2.8 to f4, and of course also the 100 to 400mm f4 to f6.3. Wow, that is a mouthful. Well, let me introduce to you some of my favorite lenses in this series. To kick it off, we got the 9mm f1.7, which is a lightweight prime wide angle lens, and personally I use this a lot for shooting walkarounds. This lens is super useful to both videographers and photographers. The 100 to 400mm super telephoto zoom lens, which as you can see has a really compact size for its focal length. This lens is suitable for sports photography or nature photography. The 42.5mm f1.2 aka Nocticron. This lens is one of Leica's signature lenses, and the pictures I've taken with it has some of the most lifelike textures and details. The 200mm f2.8, which actually comes with a 1.4 times teleconverter. That means I now have a 280mm telephoto lens equivalent to 560mm on the micro four third. And lastly, the 10 to 25mm and the 25 to 50mm f1.7, which boasts the feature of constant aperture. This means when you change the focal length, it maintains the same aperture. Also, both of these lenses are silent or clickless when you are changing its aperture. This feature is perfect for video projects. If you are especially focused on clarity and details, I would recommend you the Panasonic Leica lenses to add to your collection.